Plant FAQs, Cistus ladanifer. The allure of Cistus ladanifer, from ancient resin to modern uses. Cistus ladanifer, also known as gum rock rose, has captivated people for millennia. This fragrant shrub, native to the Western Mediterranean, boasts not only stunning white flowers with crimson centers, but also a valuable resin called labdanum. My fascination with this plant began with its unique history and blossomed into an appreciation for its potential benefits. In this article, I'll delve into the world of Cistus ladanifer, exploring its cultivation, uses, and some key questions for those interested in incorporating it into their lives. Is Cistus ladanifer oil authentic? With the rising popularity of essential oils, ensuring authenticity is crucial. Cistus ladanifer oil can be expensive, and unfortunately, adulteration is a concern. Here are some tips for spotting genuine oil. Source: look for reputable suppliers who specialize in botanical products. Ideally, they should source their Cistus ladanifer directly from growers or distillers who employ sustainable practices. Color and consistency. Authentic Cistus ladanifer oil is typically a pale yellow to amber color and has a thick, syrupy consistency. Aroma. The oil possesses a complex aroma, often described as balsamic, honey-like, with hints of leather and amber. If the scent is overly sweet or medicinal, it might be adulterated. How do I grow Cistus ladanifer? If you reside in a warm, sunny climate with well-drained soil, cultivating Cistus ladanifer can be a rewarding experience. Here's a basic guide. Planting. Choose a location with full sun and well-draining soil, preferably sandy or gravelly. Cistus ladanifer thrives in hot, dry conditions and tolerates poor soil fertility. Watering. Water deeply when planting and during prolonged dry spells, but allow the soil to dry completely between waterings. Pruning. Light pruning after flowering can encourage bushier growth. However, extensive pruning is unnecessary. Remember, Cistus ladanifer is not typically cold hardy. Research its suitability for your specific climate before planting. Is Cistus maculatus a better choice than Cistus ladanifer? Cistus maculatus, the spotted rock rose, is a close relative to Cistus ladanifer. Both plants produce labdanum resin, but there are some key differences. Resin yield. Cistus ladanifer generally yields a higher amount of resin compared to Cistus maculatus. Aroma. The labdanum resin from Cistus maculatus may have a slightly greener or more herbal scent compared to Cistus ladanifer. Ultimately, the better choice depends on your needs. If maximizing resin production is your goal, Cistus ladanifer might be preferable. However, if a specific aroma profile is desired, Cistus maculatus could be a suitable alternative. Is there a difference between labdanum and Cistus ladanifer? Labdanum refers to the resinous exudate collected from the leaves and stems of Cistus ladanifer and other Cistus species. It's not the plant itself. Labdanum has a long history of use in perfumery and traditional medicine. The resin is processed into an essential oil or absolute, which are then used in various applications. Additional considerations: safety and sustainability. While Cistus ladanifer oil has potential benefits, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional before using it, especially if pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medications. Additionally, topical application can cause skin irritation in some individuals. Always perform a patch test before using it liberally. When considering incorporating Cistus ladanifer or labdanum products into your life, seek out brands committed to sustainable harvesting practices. This ensures the longevity of these precious plants for future generations. The allure of Cistus ladanifer transcends its visual beauty. From its historical significance to its potential modern applications, this plant offers a glimpse into the remarkable synergy between nature and human ingenuity. By understanding its cultivation, uses, and ethical considerations, you can make informed choices about incorporating Cistus ladanifer into your world.